Welcome back everybody. Well, for today's video, your task is very simple. Your favourite engine spool ups between the Rolls-Royce Trent 700, the XWB and the GE-90. We're going to show you all right now. The first one you've just seen is the Rolls-Royce Trent 700. Let's move on to the next one. Option number 2 is the Delta Airlines Airbus A350-900 powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Trent XWBs. What do you think, folks? Is this your one? And the last one, option 3, the General Electric GE-90 115B on this Air Canada Boeing 777-200LR. What do you reckon, folks? Option 3, make sure you comment below. We've got one more bonus departure for you coming right up. Alright folks, another one, the Trent 700. Geez, they sound good, don't they? Alright folks, let your comments do the talking below. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on today's video. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So if you like this type of video, let us know by leaving a comment below as well. And we'll see you on the next one.